There are 4 types of formula-based imports for Salesforce. The first one is the Salesforce report search. Let's do an example. Here we'll go into this cell, search up Salesforce report search, and all you need to do is type in the name of your specified report, which in this case is default ops report. And the data has successfully loaded. This is just a simple example where I'm gathering everything from the report at once, but you can also choose your own fields and apply specific filters within the same formula. Now to control the refresh, you can use the sidebar. You can open up your Salesforce Formulas and can refresh your formulas within certain cells or within different sheets. Now let's move on to the second formula. Here we have the Salesforce report lookup. This is similar to using a traditional VLOOKUP formula to get your records, or you can select your ID or any other value as a reference to get records based on this field from a specific report only. Let's do another example. Going back into my cell, I search up for my Salesforce report lookup, and now I'll type in the report you're looking for. Again, default ops report. Now, because I'm looking off of the opportunity name, I'm going to include that. Then I'm going to select my references, and lastly, select my fields. I'm going to include extra empty columns in case I want to add more fields later on. Here, I want to also include another field as amount for an example, and we can see that the data is going to refresh as well. Let's move on to our third formula. This is Salesforce search. So far, we've shown formulas based off a report, but you can import data directly from your objects and fields. So for this Salesforce search, I've already prepared a couple of fields that I'd be interested in getting data from. Let's do the example again. I'm going to do my Salesforce search, and I'm going to pull data from my opportunity object. So I just type in my opportunity. Now I'm going to select my fields, adding in additional empty ones as well. Here I want to apply a filter. I only want opportunities that are currently selected on new business, but I want to toggle this back and forth with my drop downs. So I'll include type equals ampersand, and I2 is where the toggle currently is. I'm also going to limit it so I don't have too much data to load. And here it has loaded, but I can also easily add other information like a close date, and I can toggle this as well. Now we have the final formula. This is Salesforce lookup. Again, very similar to the report lookup where it can reference your ID or other values. Now instead, getting data from an object instead of a report. Going back to example, I'm going to go to Salesforce lookup and find my data from my opportunity table. Going to use name because I'm looking off of the opportunity name. Now I'm going to select my references, and now I'm going to select my fields as well. And hope that's helpful. You can find full details about the syntax with more examples in our Help Center.